Even before TikTok, some video editing programs had a standard transition called the sliding effect. This transition is so old that using it now would show your lack of taste or that you're a beginner in video making. But who would have thought that this old effect would become a meme in 2024? Maybe the reason for its popularity is that you don't expect to see something that breaks the fourth wall. It's like in movies when an actor looks at the camera and the magic of the movie disappears. With the sliding effect, which became the stone sliding transition meme, it's a similar situation. And maybe the meme wouldn't be as funny without the sound of a sliding stone in the background. One of the first creators to post the stone sliding transition meme with the stone sound was a YouTuber. The video used scenes from the movie Promo Spider-Man: Homecoming.
Where are the snacks? I'm getting them right now.
2 years later, meaning now, his moment made its way to TikTok where the stone sound and effect became popular. To make it even funnier, users add the sliding effect between already popular memes or between pictures that look really absurd. I sometimes don't know what goes on in the minds of people who come up with these memes. On one hand, it's genius. On the other, it can look really silly at first glance, especially if you know how video editing programs work and remember which transition this is. It's very old and outdated. You might think these videos are just random recommendations from a beginner in video editing.